Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Monroe County, southeastern Morgan County, southwestern Johnson County, northern Brown County, northwestern Bartholomew County, southeastern Owen County, northeastern Greene County, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northeast of Bloomfield, or 13 miles west of Bloomington, moving northeast at 85 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Martinsville, Nashville, Hilletsville, Princes Lakes, Trafalgar, Morgantown, Mahalasville, Peoria, Indiana University, Helmsburg, Lake Lemon, Bean Blossom, Yellowwood Lake, Waverly, Spearsville, Salisbury, Unionville, and Whitehall. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Brown, Greene, Johnson,